Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate and stream ESPN Plus on your TV using Chromecast, follow these quick and easy steps. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your TV and both are on the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Download the ESPN app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your mobile device. Step 3. Open the ESPN app and log into your ESPN Plus account using your email and password. If you don't have a subscription, sign up for ESPN Plus first. Step 4. Browse through the ESPN Plus content and select a live game, show, or event you want to watch. Step 5. Tap on the cast icon located in the top right corner of the app. Step 6. From the list of available devices, select your Chromecast to connect. Step 7. The content will start streaming on your TV. Use your mobile device to control playback, adjust volume, or browse for more content. Step 8. Your ESPN Plus is now successfully activated and streaming on your TV via Chromecast. Enjoy live sports, exclusive shows, and on-demand replays on the big screen. You can disconnect by tapping the cast icon again and selecting Stop Casting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.